Hey folks, hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to go over a little different maintenance and also more of something you should make your guests be aware of, the crew, and sometimes things just happen. So here's what happened. We're on the front of the deck, we're coming back, we're either in a hurry or we have guests on the boat that aren't aware of the situation, and we come down here to the end, we step here on the end, then we step down, and then we step down. The boat is rocking on the waves, we're under sail, we're heeling, and the problem is after this step down, the next natural step is right here, and this electrical plug has been stepped on before and cracked. So what we're doing today, I know it's a little dirty, but see how it's cracked? So we're going to replace this outlet, get it looking new again. Alright, we made it safe. We have it unplugged. Let's go check the master switch, make sure there's no power backwards feeding it from the battery. We are on off. And yes, it's dirty. We do clean the boat up pretty good when we have guests. Clean up all the cobwebs, spiders, dirt deposits. But hey, if you've ever owned a boat at a lake, you go clean it, come out 2 days later, it's a mess again. Just the way it is. So here's a better look at how it's cracked. Got this part off of Amazon, a little bit under 20 bucks to replace it. So we got the flip cup, new mounting screws, the prongs match, and we'll have to take the wires off of this one, mount this one, and put the wires back in. So we have 3 screws, one for the hot, the neutral, and the ground. So I'll get after it, we'll come back. Okay, give me a second to clean this out. I'm gonna have to crawl down in this hole. But it's up in there, the little white box. And yes, it looks like a rat's nest. It's an old boat, 1981, and it is what it is. You can spend hours and lots of money redoing old wiring, but if it works, it's not a safety hazard, just let it be. Okay, here's a better view of the backside. Got the wire coming in, tightened down with these screws. That's the cap. Got the flip cover off. Okay, so when we were down in the belly, there's a cap that was already there, just like this one. I loosened the cinching screws, plate, whatever you want to call it, to hold it in place. Slid it down the wire, and it's now sitting below. So I have excess wire to bring up. Here's the back side of it. So we're going to bring it up through here. We're going to unhook it with the 3 screws. Then we're going to put it back in. Same color code. Just a little bit of pro tip while I have it and thinking about it. So these wires are real little bitty strands. I don't know if you can see it. Of 100 little bitty wires. So instead of just taking it, mashing it down in the hole, it's spraying out into 100 different wires what you do is you grab it and you twist it tight, tighter and tighter. All those little wires become one little piece or one bigger piece, and it's stiffer, and it's a neater, cleaner job when you go to connect it. Okay, here's a better look at what I was talking about. This white wire was just jammed in there. I had to pull it apart, straighten the wires out. I don't know if I can get the camera right, but we're going to take it and twist it in the same direction over and over until you can't twist it anymore. Make it as tight as possible so it doesn't look frayed or bunched up when you try and put it in there and use the set screw. Just like that. And by doing this, making it small and tight, it's easier to get inside the hole. Now that we have them all snugged down, tightened up, we do a final test. Give it a little pull against the plastic to make sure you got it good and firm. Then we'll mount it and it'll be good as new. Alright, so we got it back on. We got it screwed up on both sides. Very secure. But went to go put this plate back on to cover the wires, and I made a fumble. So I need additional nuts to hold this on, which I don't have on the boat. Don't want to make a trip to the hardware store, or I can undo these nuts and then slide this on and put the nuts back on. So that's what I'm going to do versus going to the hardware store. Okay folks, we got that taken care of, taken off, put back on. Can't get far enough, the wall's in the way. Show you the other side. But all four are taken care of. Oh, another 5-10 minutes worth of work, sweat equity, and yes, true sweat equity. It's 100 degrees outside. Okay, there we go folks. Got it installed, secure, working. Got some of the loose dirt swept up. And as you know, we desperately need some rain. So once we get some rain, we'll wash the dirt off the boat. And it looks like we're going to have another beautiful sunset. Thanks for staying tuned, watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you guys have a good rest of your day.